If you or someone you know is experiencing depression, the great news is that there is hope. There are lots of treatment options that have shown promising results for families and loved ones who have experienced depression. Working with a licensed mental health therapist can be very beneficial. Different therapists have different types of treatment approaches which can fit different people's needs. We know that cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, help us identify the behaviors and thought patterns which may be contributing to depression. Using this type of therapy can help us challenge those thoughts so that we can help develop healthier ways of coping. Psychodynamic therapy helps us identify the unhealed parts of our past which may be contributing to what we're thinking and experiencing. Working with a therapist who uses this approach can help us process and heal from those parts so that we can move forward. Behavioral activation is another technique which can help lift our mood. It requires us to identify pleasurable activities and use a step-by-step process to engage in them so our symptoms can be reduced. Depression can also occur because of troubles in our relationship. Family or couples therapy can also help people work through issues they're facing. We can heal from the past hurts and unhealthy family dynamics which were contributing to our symptoms. Group therapy is also another great resource. Many people who are going through depression talk about how isolated they feel. They often feel like they're the only ones who may be experiencing what they are. And while every one of us has our own personal unique experiences, group helps us come together and relate to other people who may also be experiencing depression or similar struggles as us. It gives us a place where we can be held accountable. Many of the group members that I lead the groups for talk about how helpful it is to come back the next week and have other people asking them how they're doing and also checking in on the progress that they're making. One of the goals of group is that it helps us build social skills that we can practice in a safe place and then take that outside in our personal lives. When someone has attempted suicide or considers it, their treatment team may make the recommendation for them to be hospitalized. Hospitalization provides us a place where we can go and stay safe because we have a lot of resources and help around us. We can use the skills that we learn at the hospital when we return home. It allows people to be in a healing environment where they have access to care and help 24/7. There are also partial hospitalization programs or intensive outpatient programs which may not necessarily require us to have 24/7 care, but also provide us similar resources as inpatient hospitalization. Research shows that a combination of both therapy and medication provides the best benefit to those impacted by mental illness. Thanks to advancements in science, we also now have genetic testing. This helps us give a deeper understanding of how certain medications are processed in our bodies so that we can find the right ones. Procedures like ketamine infusion and electroconvulsive therapy have also shown benefit to those who are experiencing depression. This is why it's important to talk with your medical provider or doctor about which procedure or medication can be the most beneficial for you. And of course, exercising regularly, eating healthy meals, and having a good sleep schedule can all improve our mental health. Now, with all of this said, what works for one person may not work for another. So it's important to talk with your treatment team so that you can come up with a good combination that works best for you. And it may seem like a lot of work, but it does get better. Depression, like many mental illnesses, is complex. So I really hope that this video was able to shed some light on the matter. It is my goal to spread awareness and break the stigma so that we can all heal and grow to live healthier lives. If you like this video, please make sure to share, like, and subscribe so you can make a difference in someone's life. And remember, you got this.
I hope you enjoyed the video. If it was helpful, make sure to share, like, and subscribe. You never know who may benefit from it. Don't forget to check out my other platforms for more information about mental health. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.